Cryptocurrencies, often regarded as a threat to usual banking and financial institutions, have gained substantial popularity in the previous half-decade, posing a regulatory nightmare for banking authorities worldwide. There are currently 969 cryptocurrencies worldwide, with a collective market valuation of roughly $116 billion. A cryptocurrency is a type of electronic currency that is invented and kept. Unlike monetary currency, the distribution of the cryptocurrency is not controlled by any central bank or government, and the network is fully decentralized. So in this video, we will be discussing the failure of cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital payment mechanism that does not rely on banks for transaction verification. Instead, it's a peer-to-peer system that enables anyone to make and receive payments anywhere. Cryptocurrency payments exist solely as computerized entries to an online database identifying specific transactions rather than tangible money carried around and traded in the real world. The transactions you make with cryptocurrencies are recorded in the accounting ledger. E-wallets are used to keep the cryptocurrency. The name cryptocurrency comes from the fact that it uses encryption to process payments. This means that storing and sending cryptocurrency data between wallets and public ledgers requires complex coding. Encryption's goal is to ensure security and safety. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, was created in 2009 and still is the most well-known today. Much of the interest in cryptocurrencies is for-profit trading, with investors driving prices upward at times. Failure of cryptocurrency. Did you even know that there are currently 10,000 cryptocurrencies in the industry? Some hope to function as currencies and ultimately substitute your wallet's dollars. Others provide low-cost loans to impoverished countries, and one even claims to revolutionize the internet as we know it. With all of this in mind, it's understandable why so many cryptocurrencies have collapsed. Since Bitcoin's inception in 2009, approximately 2,000 coins have perished. 9 coins died last year according to CoinUpsy, a website that tracks deceased currencies. According to the report, coins fail or are discarded for various reasons. Current drop of Bitcoin. As the crypto and stock markets battle to find upward momentum, Bitcoin's price remains near $29,000 on Wednesday. The most popular cryptocurrency has been losing ground in recent weeks, plummeting 20% last week. Analysts claim the crypto market has been monitoring the stock market more recently, which, when combined with more widespread use and the recent price slumps, makes it more linked with macroeconomic concerns. On May the 4th, the Fed raised interest rates for the first time in 22 years to combat inflation, which decreased to 8.3% in April, according to the most recent inflation report. After the Fed's decision on May the 4th, Bitcoin temporarily climbed above $40,000, but the gains were short-lived. Bitcoin had been trading in a narrow range for several weeks, generally between $26,000 and $31,000. Since December 25, 2021, Bitcoin hasn't gone above $50,000. With the ups and downs, Bitcoin has remained over $34,000, the lowest point in the preceding 6 months. Bitcoin has lost 40% of its value after hitting an all-time high of around $68,000 on November 10th, owing to rising inflation, a sluggish employment market, and the Fed's continuous signs that it will start winding down aggressive measures to boost the economy. So far this week, Bitcoin has traded between $26,000 and $32,000. Despite a considerable drop from its recent all-time high, many experts believe Bitcoin's price will eventually soar above $100,000, defining it as when, not if. Current drop of Ethereum. During a big crisis in the cryptocurrency market, the price of Ethereum has fallen. Ethereum, the second largest digital coin, was the worst affected among the major cryptocurrencies. It dropped more than 20% in just 24 hours, falling below the $2,000 threshold, considered a significant milestone. However, there was far from alone in its misfortunes. Bitcoin has lost 12.5% in the last 24 hours to $26,563, falling below the $30,000 psychological support level. Due to these issues, the market has dropped about 17% in the last 24 hours, following a string of negative days. Smaller coins have seen even steeper price decreases. Current drop of Lunar. After a successful 2020 and 2021, cryptocurrency investors have been hit hard this year as the value of several popularly held coins has fallen. The value of the Lunar cryptocurrency plunged from a collective $20 billion to close to $0 in just a few days last week, probably the most rapid of all the drops. The coin was once featured on Binance, the world's most popular cryptocurrency exchange, for $0.00. Other investors have been alarmed by its losses, which have extended across the most prominent cryptocurrencies. When Terra USD, the currency that practically guaranteed a consistent price, rapidly devalued, Lunar prices collapsed. Terra USD was strongly linked to Anchor Protocol, which served as a virtual savings account for the currency, paying a 20% interest rate. As a result, Terra USD became a smart investment that offered very good profits. However, in March, Anchor stated that the 20% rate would be replaced with a variable rate that would be significantly less favorable. This prompted a major exodus from Anchor, forcing more Terra USD and Lunar currency investors to dump their holdings. With so many people attempting to sell their Terra USD and Lunar simultaneously, the system designed to keep rates consistent just ceased working. By Friday, May 13th, the price of Lunar had dropped to below 1 cent, while the value of Terra USD, which was intended to be $1, had plummeted to just 14 cents. Reasons for the failure of cryptocurrencies. Most cryptocurrencies exist because of the future and stability of their prices. On the other hand, small errors will lead to the demise of these electronic exchange mediums. Therefore, it's critical to look into the advertising used and whether it achieves the consumer's aims and outcomes. If the services do not meet national criteria, the cryptocurrency's demise will be short-lived. Customers must be provided and assured of security to feel safe and not vulnerable to losses. The future must reflect progress, or the public will lose faith in the cryptocurrency's market stability. Will the crypto market recover? This is the thought on everyone's mind right now. Will the cryptocurrency market recover, and if so, when is a good time to buy or sell? There are many different viewpoints and solutions to those concerns, so do what's appropriate for you and your specific circumstances. According to Coinbase, Bitcoin's value has increased by 255.65% in the last year, even after accounting for the crypto crashes of May 19th and June the 8th. Of course, the price is nowhere near the all-time highs reached by the cryptocurrency in mid-April, but it's still significantly higher than last year. Further out, from February 2014, the price of Bitcoin has increased by 65,800.91%. Alexander Vasiliev, the co-founder of global payment network Mercury, said in an article in The Independent, "At this rate of fall, Bitcoin is likely to see support at $40,000 if the selling continues, and surviving this fundamental onslaught can set a new run that will create a new all-time high of $70,000 in the mid to long term." However, Kevin Brown, an investment professional with Scottish Friendly, argues advising against investing for anyone who does not comprehend the market. The level of volatility means that savers who choose to invest in cryptocurrencies must be prepared to lose all their money, he said. The future of cryptocurrency. As institutional money enters the market, several economists foresee a significant shift in crypto. Furthermore, there is a chance that crypto will be listed on the Nasdaq, which would give blockchain and its usage as a currency alternative even more credibility. Some believe that all cryptocurrency needs is a validated exchange-traded fund, ETF. Although an ETF would make it easier for consumers to trade in Bitcoin, there must still be a desire for cryptocurrency, which a fund may not automatically create. We can assume what value Bitcoin will have for investors in the coming months and years. However, the fact is that cryptocurrency is still a new and speculative investment with little experience on which to base forecasts. No one truly knows what a particular expert believes or says. For long-term wealth accumulation, you should only invest what you're willing to lose and stick to more traditional investments. Keep your crypto investments tiny and never prioritize them over other financial goals like retirement savings and debt repayment. So this is all for today. We're not clear till now what the future will be for cryptocurrency. What do you guys think about it? We'd like to hear your opinion on this topic, so leave your response in the comment section below and we'll be sure to get back to you. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the video. Click the notification bell to never miss out on future ones. Stay tuned till the next one. See you soon.